Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create tracing letters in Canva, perfect for making educational worksheets or helping kids practice their handwriting. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your existing Canva design where you want to add the tracing letters. Once your design is loaded, direct your attention to the left sidebar and click on Elements. This will open up Canva's massive library of graphics and design elements that you can use in your project. In the search field at the top, type alphabet tracing and hit enter. This will bring up various letter sets specifically designed for tracing activities. You'll see different styles appear in the results, so take a moment to browse through them and select a dotted or tracing style letter set that fits your needs. These special letter designs are perfect for learners because they provide a clear path to follow. Now click on the tracing style A to add it to your page. The letter will appear on your canvas, ready to be positioned. Drag the A to the top left area of the page where you want your tracing exercise to begin. This placement gives you plenty of room to add more letters or lines below. Next, adjust the size of the letter to make it suitable for tracing. You want it large enough that someone can comfortably follow the dotted pattern with a pencil or finger, but not so large that it takes up your entire page. Here's where we add some structure to help with proper letter formation. Click on Elements again to open the sidebar. This time, type writing lines in the search field. These are the horizontal guidelines you often see in handwriting practice books. Select a simple 3-line writing guide from the results. This will help learners understand proper letter height and positioning. Drag the writing guide onto your tracing A. You'll want to send the writing guide backwards so it sits behind the letter, then adjust the height to fit the letter proportions correctly. Also adjust the length so it extends across your workspace. This creates that classic worksheet look with the letter sitting perfectly on the baseline. Now for the efficient part. Select both the A and the writing line together, then press Ctrl+D on your keyboard. This duplicates both elements at once. Drag the duplicate below the original to create more tracing lines on your page. Repeat this process as many times as needed to fill your worksheet with practice rows. Each duplicate maintains the perfect alignment and sizing you set up, saving you tons of time. Once you've created all the tracing lines you need, it's time to save your work. Click Share at the top right of your screen, then click Download from the menu that appears. Select PDF from the File Type drop-down menu. PDF format is ideal for printing because it maintains crisp, clear lines that are perfect for tracing. Finally, click Download and your worksheet will be saved to your device, ready to print and use. And there you have it. You've just created a professional-looking tracing letter worksheet in Canva. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.